What if you could start a real passive income side hustle in 2026? I'm not talking about crypto trading or anything risky. I'm talking about ideas that are already working for normal people. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best zero-cost passive income side hustles for 2026. I'll show you exactly how this works and how you can start today, even if you've never made money online before. So make sure you stick around because idea number 3 changes how most people think about passive income. Quick disclaimer before we jump in. Results aren't guaranteed and depend on effort. But every idea in this video is proven, beginner-friendly, and being used right now. Importantly, I'll show real examples and simple steps so you can decide if it's right for you. Let's get started. Alright, first up, selling prompts. And honestly, this is way simpler than people make it sound. If you're new to this, prompts are just instructions you give to AI tools. Think of them like recipes. You tell the AI what you want, how you want it, and what the final result should look like. And here's the part most people don't realize. People actually pay for this, not because prompts are fancy, but because a good prompt saves time and gets better results instantly. And if you're wondering where prompts even come from, this is the easiest part. You don't have to invent everything from scratch. There are already public prompt libraries you can study, test, and improve. OpenAI literally gives these away for free, and look up their prompt packs. You'll find full collections of ready-to-use prompts for things like marketing, writing, productivity, even business workflows. Google does the same thing, right? They have a public prompt library PDF you can download with real examples people are already using. These are open prompts, anyone can access them, test them, and build better versions, okay? The setup is simple. You take what works, you improve it, and you niche it down. Then you upload your prompt or bundle to a platform like Gumroad or a prompt marketplace. Once it's live, everything is automated. When someone buys it, they get instant access and you don't have to do anything else. That's where the passive part comes in, okay? Now let's keep expectations realistic. This isn't one of those I made $50,000 overnight things. In fact, most beginners start around a few $100s a month. But if you stay consistent, meaning you bundle your prompts and slowly build an audience. Some people go higher, but that comes from consistency, not luck. And for something you create once and list forever, that's actually solid. Now getting started doesn't need to be complicated. Just pick one niche you understand even a little. Marketing, social media, image prompts, emails, YouTube scripts, Etsy descriptions, whatever it is. The more specific, the better. Then create about 15 to 30 prompts. Keep them clean, use simple placeholders, and make sure you test them so they actually work. After that, bundle them, okay? Single prompts can sell for a few dollars, but bundles sell way better. $10 to $50 is pretty normal, especially if you include examples or a short guide. Then you list them. Now here's a traffic method most people completely ignore, medium.com. You can post short, helpful articles that solve everyday prompt problems. Stuff like 5 ChatGPT prompts for better emails or 1 prompt that fixes bad AI images. At the end of the article, you give away 1 free prompt. That freebie warms people up, and right below it, you link your full prompt bundle on Gumroad. No ads, no face, just value first. That alone can drive steady traffic if you stay consistent. And you could honestly list your first prompt today if you sit down and do it. Now, let's move into the next passive income idea. This one is honestly cool. Kids activity books and coloring books on Amazon KDP. Here's what a lot of people don't realize. Simple kids books like coloring pages, mazes, dot-to-dots, tracing worksheets. These sell every single day. Parents are constantly looking for educational and creative ways to keep their kids busy, and Amazon already has millions of buyers searching for this stuff without you having to drive traffic yourself. And the best part? You don't need any design skills. You just need simple tools and a little creativity, okay? Now let's keep expectations realistic again. Some books will flop, some will do okay, and a few will surprise you. For beginners, once you get a handful of books published, it's very realistic to see anywhere from $50 to $300 a month. As you start learning what sells and you upload more books in different themes, animals, numbers, alphabets, holiday coloring books, it's totally possible to build that up to $500, even $1,000 a month or more. And this stacks becomes another little digital asset that can earn while you're doing something else. And real quick, if this kind of stuff interests you, I actually want to take it a step further. I'm going to be starting a 30-day challenge where we create and publish a journal from scratch, step by step. Nothing complicated, just something anyone can follow, even if you've never made a book before. If that sounds like something you'd want to be part of, let me know by commenting below, or you can click the link in the description to get more details. And just so you know, this isn't some random idea. There are creators doing extremely well with journals right now. Pages like this, and these are great examples. Simple journals, clean branding, consistent themes, and they're selling. The process itself is way simpler than people think. You start by picking a theme. Keep it easy. Animals, dinosaurs, unicorns, early learning activities. Kids love simple, fun ideas. Then you create the pages. And this is where things get really easy. You can design your entire book, interior pages, front cover, back cover, using a tool like Kittle. It's pretty drag and drop, beginner friendly, and packed with templates, graphics, fonts, and layouts made for exactly this kind of thing. If you want cute animal coloring pages, they're already there, okay? Be it tracing letters, numbers, or a maze. You can build all of that right inside the platform. It's actually pretty straightforward to get started. To create your book, you just click on templates and search for your theme. So if we're doing a coloring book, you'll instantly see tons of options to choose from. Once you find one you like, just click use this template and you're in. Right away, you'll have everything set up for you, the cover, the front page, and the front matter. From there, it's just a matter of customizing, okay? And all you do is use the prompt section to generate new images or click on any image you want to recreate and hit the remix button. Then give it a simple instruction prompt. That's it. The new design is generated for you. If you want more pages, you just repeat the same process. You can create as many interior pages as you want, then finish things off by adjusting the cover pages too. Covers matter a lot on Amazon because people absolutely judge books by their cover. But again, you don't need to start from scratch. Once everything's ready, you export your files in high resolution and upload to Amazon KDP. Luckily for you, the template already comes set up in the standard 8 by 11 page size. That's the most popular book size on Amazon KDP, so you don't have to worry about formatting or resizing anything, okay? After that, Amazon handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. You don't touch inventory, you don't ship anything, and you don't deal with customers, no. And the more you publish, the more chances you have to earn. That's what makes this passive. Moving on to the next. Alright, let's talk about passive income idea number 3, and honestly, this one is one of my favorites. This is the one that really changed the game for me. Faceless YouTube channels, especially shorts. Here's why YouTube is so powerful. It's one of the very few platforms where you can upload a video once, and that same video can keep paying you for months, sometimes even years. I know that because I'm a YouTuber myself. I still have videos I posted a long time ago that are bringing in views, bringing in subscribers, and still making money. That's real passive income. You do the work once, and the platform keeps working for you in the background. Now, I also know a lot of people, they hate the idea of being on camera. They don't want to feel exposed, and they don't want their face tied to everything. That's exactly why faceless channels are so powerful. And in 2026, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting, this is easier and more profitable than ever. Now, you can now create short, addictive videos, 30 to 60 seconds, in hot niches like motivational quotes, fun facts, Reddit stories, top 10 lists, storytelling, or quick life hacks, without ever showing your face. All you need is stock footage, text on screen, and an AI voiceover. There are faceless channels right now pulling anywhere from 1 million to 50 million views per month in these niches. Some of them hit monetization in just a few weeks. And once they scale, they're earning anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month from ads alone. And something really interesting I've noticed, some of these channels are exploding because the content is short, relatable, and broken into series. It keeps people hooked. On top of that, the same shorts are being shared across multiple platforms. which means more reach and more money for content that was created once. Next, focus on topics people are already searching for. YouTube is a search engine. People come here with questions, tutorials, how-tos, step-by-step guides, problems you can solve. That's how beginners grow faster. Now let's talk money. Realistically, most beginners don't make anything in the first month. That's normal. You need to hit monetization first. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But once you're monetized, even a small channel can bring in $100 to $500 a month, depending on the niche. As you grow, it becomes very normal to see $1,000, $3,000, or even more per month. And remember, that's just ad revenue. On top of that, you have brand deals, affiliate links, digital products, all stacked together, okay? I know starting YouTube can feel scary at first, but it's worth it. Content creation can open doors of several opportunities you never would have imagined. Anyways, this is how much you can earn, even with tiny little views. I hope this ignites something in you. Alright, passive income idea number 4, and this is honestly one of my favorites right now. I really think 2026 is going to be a golden year for this one. We're talking affiliate marketing, but specifically using Pinterest to drive completely passive traffic. Now, I know what some of you are probably thinking. Isn't affiliate marketing dead? Everyone's on TikTok now, TikTok shops, digital products, content creation. And you're not wrong, a lot of people did move on. They were chasing the fastest money, the easiest side hustle, the next shiny thing. But here's the part most people don't realize, and this is why I'm excited about this. That shift actually opened up a massive opportunity. All those people who were spamming low-quality links, throwing out lazy content and expecting instant results, a lot of them quit. They got frustrated and left, which means less noise, less competition, and way more visibility for people who actually do this the right way. Think about it. If you write a simple, helpful article on Medium about an AI tool you actually use, or a supplement from ClickBank that genuinely works, your content has a much better chance of ranking and converting now, because the flood of junk content has slowed way down. And with AI making everything easier, writing articles faster, generating scripts, even creating short videos in minutes, there's really no excuse not to jump in. This is honestly one of the best times in years to start affiliate marketing. If you focus on real value instead of spammy tactics, your chances of success are higher now than they've been in a long time. Here's how simple the setup actually is. You start by picking a product you genuinely like. That could be something from Amazon Associates, ClickBank, whatever fits your niche. Then you write a short, helpful review or a top tools article on Medium. It's free, it's beginner-friendly, and it already has built-in SEO. You can use AI tools to help draft the article fast, or even create short explainer videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts to support it. And then this is where the passive magic really happens. You create eye-catching Pinterest pins using Kittl and drop your affiliate link into the destination URL. Let me show you how easy this is. You pick a template, then customize it with your own words, or simply use their built-in image generator, and there you have it. The AI tool that saves me 10 hours a week, and that's it. Pinterest users aren't just scrolling, they're searching. They're actively looking for ideas, tools, and solutions. And the crazy part? That pin can sit there and drive clicks for months, sometimes even years. Now let's talk earnings, realistically. Beginners who stay consistent are seeing anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month within 3 to 6 months. And if you're in higher ticket niches like software, courses, or tools, some people scale this once the traffic compounds. And if you want the full step-by-step system I've personally used, go back and watch my older affiliate marketing videos. They're still 100% relevant. I'll link a couple in the description and cards. They walk you through choosing offers, writing reviews that convert, and setting everything up from scratch. So don't sleep on this one. While everyone else is chasing the newest trend, you can quietly build a real digital asset that pays you month after month. Alright, let's move into idea number 5, and this one is literally taking over the world right now. AI. This is the AI era. Whether we like it or not, AI isn't slowing down. New tools are launching every day, companies are adopting AI faster than ever, and the people who actually know how to use these tools, they're the ones making serious money. And here's the crazy part. You don't need a tech degree to get into AI. You don't need to code from scratch. You just need to learn how to use the tools, okay? Knowing how to use AI right now is like knowing how to use the internet back in the early 2000s. It gives you a massive advantage. Be it in marketing, editing, customer support, data analysis, coding, AI is everywhere. And businesses are actively looking for people who can use AI to save time and increase productivity. That's where the opportunity is. The beautiful thing about AI is that you can start making money with it right now. You don't have to build AI software. You don't have to invent anything, okay? You just need to know how to use the tools better than the average person. People are charging for AI services every single day because most business owners don't know how to prompt properly, don't know how to automate workflows, and don't even know how to get AI to actually do what they want. So if you learn these skills, you can turn them into a service, plain and simple. And to show you how real this is, here are just some of the AI services people are offering right now. You've got AI-driven content creation, things like YouTube scripts, captions, blog posts, ebooks, website copy. There are so many ways to monetize this, and it's honestly wild. Here's the truth though, the people who will make the most money from AI aren't the ones sitting back watching. They're the ones learning, experimenting, and applying the tools. When you understand AI, you become faster, more creative, and way more valuable in the marketplace. And the best part, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to learn this. You can take affordable courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, or even learn for free on YouTube. There are full tutorials on prompt engineering, AI marketing, automation. Everything you need is already out there. All it takes is consistency, okay? So if you want to stay relevant, if you want to position yourself for high-income opportunities in the future, start learning AI now. This skill isn't going anywhere. If anything, it's only getting bigger. Alright, if you're still watching right now, this one's a bonus. This is for the people who actually stayed till the end. Passive income idea number 6 is a true evergreen classic, and it's not going anywhere in 2026 or beyond. We're talking print-on-demand customized merch, starting with t-shirts. Look, people wear t-shirts every single day, all over the world. Funny quotes, niche hobbies, motivational slogans, family reunion designs, trending memes, tees never go out of style, okay? And the best part, you have complete creative control. Whatever idea pops into your head, you can turn it into a real product and sell it without ever touching inventory. Now the game changer I'm obsessed with right now is Kittle.com. Kittle's t-shirts template designs are next level, bold fonts, unique styles, vintage distressed looks. This is the kind of stuff that actually sells. You can literally customize any of these templates to fit your style, okay? Just use the Use Template button and you can tweak the text, change the colors, add or remove elements, and have a sell-ready design in minutes. From there, you just connect your design to platforms like Printify, my personal favorite because of the huge product catalog and great pricing. And you're not limited to t-shirts. You can put the same design on hoodies, tote bags, mugs, posters, blankets, even pet bandanas. The more products you list, the more passive income opportunities you create. And by the way, I've put links to all the websites I mentioned down in the description. That includes Kittle, and if you use my link, you'll get 25% off your plan. Now the question I get all the time is, how does the money actually work? Do I pay anything up front? Here's the simple breakdown. You pay nothing up front. You design for free, upload for free, and list for free. A customer orders your product and pays the full retail price, let's say $24.99 for a shirt. The print-on-demand company automatically handles printing, shipping, and fulfillment. They take their base cost, usually around $12 to $15, and the rest is your profit. You never touch the product, you never deal with shipping, and your profit gets sent straight to you weekly or monthly, depending on the platform. So there you have it, 6 realistic ways to make money online without falling for hype or get-rich-quick schemes, okay? So whether it's creating kids' books, starting a Faceless YouTube channel, doing affiliate marketing, or offering AI-powered services, these are real ways to build income over time. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which income stream you're starting first. And stick around for the next video because I'll go even deeper into every side hustle I spoke about.